Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a Homage beat.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. American Gods, Episode 1. Following the epic showdown at Easter's party, Mr. Wednesday continues his quest to pitch the case for war to the new gods. Okay, so I'm going to skip ahead and go straight to the powerful scene when the gods get on the carousel ride. The carousel ride symbolizes Earth, the animal planet. As all the gods get on the carousel ride, they are near an animal, or to go deeper, the zodiac signs that rule over you. Well, not us. We're chaos beings, titans, above the gods. As Shadow Moon is a chaos being that doesn't know it yet. Demigod. The carousel moves faster and faster, symbolizing the circle of time and how this illusion goes quicker than you think. The carousel explodes, putting Shadow Moon back in the real world, where Zamunda, Sirius B, our greatest greatness. The gods or energy streams have a meeting about how the new gods, technology, is taking over the frequency. Our black goddess, Isis, wants to evolve with the technology gods, and Shadow Moon still doesn't realize he is higher than these old gods, and wants to help Odin fight the new gods so they can still get worshipped and praised by the dead, humans. We all know that we are higher than these energy streams, and we are the ones in control of these gods. Plug, Ashe cards. These are energy streams, different ways and outlets for you to embark on these energies. Invoking these gods taps into that part of your DNA that gives you these subtle changes in your energy, so you can power up your spiritual practices and mental fortitude of understanding. The knower. You have all these energies within you, and these gods trying to rule over you is putting you in a subordinate energy. Slave mindset. Shadow Moon not knowing or understanding his true power is showing you the Black American in this reality. Tap into your powers and rule over your demiurge energies. You are the one, the only, Chaos God. Dream wise.